day and welcome to Transformational Tuesdays, right here on YouTube with me, ES Masindi aka Barasox. Before I can go deeper into matters of the day, follow me on Facebook, personal Facebook as Barasox. Follow our company Malaika Media on Instagram as Malaika Media SA in small letters. Follow us on Facebook as Malaika Media. Follow us on YouTube as Malaika Media SA. Today I want to share with you a motivational story about an eagle that grew up believing that it was a chicken. One day, an eagle's egg fell from its nest from the mountain down the farm where there was a chicken coop. The egg hatched and the female eagle grew up believing that it was a chicken. It could play with chicken, walk like a chicken, but it was huge. It had a long beak, long and big body, big wings. It was gigantic apart from other ones. Other chicks would tease it at times. It couldn't run very fast. It was completely different from other chickens. One of the good days, a bigger eagle was flying from the sky, and then it noticed there's someone that looks like me down there. Let me go and check it out. It went down and find that it was an eagle that looked like it. It took some time for the bigger eagle to convince the young one that you are one of us, but eventually got through to the younger eagle. They began to practice. They began to show each other that you can fly. The smaller eagle did not even hesitate. Once it was told that it could fly, it just took a step, took a chance, and then flew. Just like that. Had the eagle believed that it was a chicken, it would still be on the ground. But because the eagle believed that it could do more, that it had potential, that's why it eventually had flown into the sky. Now, as I'm talking to you now, I want to tell you something, that believe in yourself. Self-esteem is very important. There's a smaller lesson that we learn from the story of an eagle, but that can take us far in life. There are people who notices you, who sees potential in you, and then they will eventually come into your life, show you 1, 2, 3. But if you believe in yourself, if you've got the self-esteem, the confidence in yourself, trust me, you are going to succeed and achieve each and every goal that you have set for yourself. Self-esteem, self-confidence. Now, I want you to understand something, that you are unique, that you have a potential, that you have a purpose, that you have the gift, your ability, your talent that can be fulfilled or reached only if you believe in yourself. The moral of the story is to believe in yourself, to never ever give up. We do not quit, but we rest, get up, and move on with the journey. That is the part of life. Giving up is not an option. Failing does not mean you are a permanent failure. Only through failures we are able to see where we can fix. We are able to see what went wrong and where. Through failure. Now, in my closing statement, I want to say this to you. Until you know who you are, you cannot know what you can become. Remember, nothing is impossible. Even the word impossible says it all. I'm possible. Thank you.